Hello students, welcome back to my class. This is your Trina ma'am and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. But before that, I want to ask you a few questions. Now tell me, can you breathe? Can you move one place to another? Do you feel thirsty? Do you feel hungry? If all these answers are yes, then you are a living thing. And today our topic is living thing and non-living thing. Living means alive and non-living means not alive. A living thing has life in it, but a non-living thing does not has life in it. There are few characteristics of a living thing. A living thing can breathe. A living thing can grow. A living thing can move. They can move their body part or they can move from one place to another. Living thing need food and water. Living thing can produce waste. Living thing can reproduce. Living thing can feel the senses. So as you can see, we human being has all this characteristic. So we are a living thing. Animals and plants are also living thing. If you notice a dog or a cat, it can breathe, it can move, it can reproduce, it needs food, it produces waste, it has senses also. That's why animal is also a living thing. Plant is also a living thing. But yes, plant cannot move from one place to another. Plant move its body part. Plant can grow and plant also need food and water. So now we will discuss all the characteristics of a living thing one by one. All the living things need air to breathe. Human and animals breathe through their lungs. They use their nostril to take in and give out the air. Animals such as frog lives both in water and land. In water, a frog breathes air dissolved in water through its skin. But in land, it breathes through its lungs. Insects such as ants, grasshoppers, cockroaches breathe through a small tiny opening on their body which is called spiracles. Fish breathe through their gills. Plants also need air to breathe. Plants breathe through a very tiny opening on their leaves which is called stomata. Do you think a table or a chair can breathe? No, they cannot breathe. They are non-living thing. A non-living thing cannot breathe. Now tell me, if your mummy do not give you any food for a day, don't you feel hungry or don't you feel thirsty? Yes, of course you feel. Because all the living things need food to eat. Because food gives us energy. And that's why all living things, we all need food to eat. All the living things like human, animal, plant, we all need food. Food help us to remain alive. Food give us energy. It gives us nutrients so that we can do various activities. So we all need food. Plants also need food to obtain energy. We animals, we are also animal. Human beings are also animal. We animal move here and there in search of food. But you know, plant do not move here and there in search of food, as they can make their own food. They make their own food in the leaf with the help of sunlight, rain, air and chlorophyll, that the green substance that is present in the leaf. With the help of that, they can make their own food. So plant also need food, and that's why leaf of a plant is called the kitchen of a plant. So plants also need food. Can you tell me your toys or your cars, your dolls, whether they feel hungry or not? No, I don't think so. Because they are non-living things. Non-living things do not need food and water. Have you ever seen a photograph of yourself as a little baby? And see, now you have already grown into a child. And after some time, you will grow into an adult. A little kitten will grow into a cat. A little cub will grow into a tiger. A small seed will grow into a plant, and after some time it will grow into a big tree. So all the living thing can grow. Plant can grow throughout its life. Whereas in animal, growth happens up to a certain age. See, this is a pen. Will it grow this size after some time? No, it will never grow because it is a non-living thing. So a non-living thing cannot grow. Living thing can move. Animal can move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. They also move to escape from their enemy. Most of the animals can walk with their legs. Birds and insects can fly with the help of their wings. Fish use their fins and tail to swim in the water.
Birds such as ostriches, kiwis, and penguins cannot fly. The ostrich has very strong legs. It is the fastest running bird in the world.
Plants do not move from one place to another, as they can move their own food. They do not need to move here and there in search of the food, but plant can move their body part.
Have you seen a sunflower plant? Its flower always turn in the direction of the sun.
But can a bicycle or a car can move on its own? No, we need to drive it, right? So a non-living thing cannot move on its own. Non-living thing cannot move, whereas a living thing can move. Living thing can feel and respond to the changes. Suppose if I give you a hot cup of milk,
Will you put your finger in it? No. If you do so,
then what happens? Your finger get burned. So we can feel hot, we can feel cold. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. With the help of these sense organs, we can feel the changes.
the mimosa plant folds its leaf when we touch them. The mimosa is also called touch-me-not plant.
Whereas a non-living thing cannot feel anything, or a non-living thing cannot respond to any changes in the environment. Living thing can reproduce. A mother gives birth to a child, a cat gives birth to a kitten, a dog gives birth to a puppy. Plant can also reproduce. Now, can you tell me whether your doll or your car or your toys can reproduce another toy or another car or another doll? No, because they are non-living thing. Non-living thing cannot reproduce. Living thing give out waste product. Living thing consume food and carry out various activities. In the process, the body produces waste products. These waste products are very poisonous. So all the living things need to remove this waste product from their body. Living thing can grow old and die. All the living things grow, become old and die after a certain time. All the living things has a certain lifespan. Like some trees live for hundreds of years. Some animals like bowhead whales, big giant tortoise or the jellyfish can live for long time.
A bristlecone pine tree from California's White Mountains is said to be more than 5,000 years old. The great banyan tree found in Kolkata is more than 250 years old.
Whereas non-living things can never grow. They can never become old or will never die. So today we learn about the characteristic of living things and non-living things. I hope you like it. Today up till this, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home and study well. Bye bye.